the safari ride we go, with the sun and wind down low. Wave hello to friends we see, roaring wild and running free. Look at the lion, big and loud. He walks around so tall and proud. He shakes his mane and gives a roar, then rolls around and roars once more. On the safari ride we go, with the sun and wind down low. Wave hello to friends we see, roaring wild and running free. See the giraffe with neck so high, reaching leaves up to the sky. She gives a smile and takes a bite, and walks away so sweet and light. Hippo splashes in the stream, blowing bubbles in a dream. Wiggle, wiggle, ears so round, then she makes a happy sound. Elephant trumpets loud and clear, flaps his ears so fun to hear. He lifts his trunk and gives a cheer. I'm the biggest friend right here. On the safari ride we go, smiling faces all aglow. With animal friends so wild and bright, we end our ride and say goodnight.